Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 2004 33-foot Grady Express walk-around. Powered by a pair of reliable 225 horse 4-stroke Yamahas. No exhaust issues here. That's all been taken care of. This boat is loaded with everything you need, including generator and air conditioner. Super clean, family cruise, not fished. Let's take a little close-up look at this boat. Custom aft canvas cover can easily be removed from the cockpit. Walking forward, stainless steel rail gives a nice safe walk around. Windlass, factory hardtop, new enclosure. Grady-White knows how to build a cockpit. The wide beam is evident here. Looking aft, you can see the walk-through transom door, fold-out transom seating. Transom fish box. Starboard side is the live well. Port side is the rigging station with sink. Tackle storage galore. Up on the helm deck, port side L-shaped companion seating, centerline helm. Great view for the helmsman. Power-driven lift-up electronics box featuring all-ray marine. L-shaped seating starboard. Let's go down below and take a look at the light, bright, and airy air-conditioned cabin. Dinette, full galley with microwave, cooktop. Entertainment center with TV, DVD. Under-counter refrigerator. The forward berth has plenty of sleeping space for two. Moving aft, the mid-cabin is a queen-size berth. Full-size head, vacuum flush system, Corian counters, complete with shower. Let's take one more look at this very, very clean 330 Grady-White. Stylish then, stylish now. Basically the same boat you can buy brand new from Grady-White. Be sure to see the full specs on our website, www.offshoreyachtsales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.